probably going to be a minute.
Holy smoking Dodge. Is that hood levitating? No, it's actually being held up. Now you can see it being held up. This is a 1968 Dodge. With some pretty cool ways to keep the hood up. Roll, is that? Yeah, I got roll cage in it. Super B. Hey, that ain't the only B that's around here. That makes 3 B's. This is Super B. And there's Honeybee over there. And Bumblebee over there. I guess we got the 3 B's down. It's a floating hood. I wonder if it means if you get on top, that'd be 2 hood ornaments. Yep, the world's going topsy-turvy.